Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So already that I updated you today is that breaking news. Winger players is still wanted at Kaizer Chiefs other several clubs. Manxi Mzangeli, the 25 years old, who has been on a loan at Yanga SC by SA Maniam from Congo. His loan deal set to expire at the end of the year. Yanga had offered $200,000. When you convert to South Africa, it's 3.59 million to get Nzangeli on a permanent deal, but the Miami president has not responded to their offers. They already received a huge offer by the clubs in South Africa and in Morocco. Yanga SC still wants him in another 2-year loan deal, but the Condolence Club is holding out for better offers. And Kaizer Chiefs are one of the main targets for Nzangeli. So Miami, that is why they didn't respond to Yanga's offer, because they're looking for a better bid. Kaizer Chiefs is not the only one in South Africa teams who are interested to sign Nzangeli. So if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.